Lily, please answer me. Where are you? I am very worried now.
All my friends have mothers, and they talk, laugh, and go home together. Can Miss Anna stay with us forever, like a mother in our home?
Wake up, my little princess. It is morning. We have school today together.
Dad, just 5 more minutes, please, and I am still feeling very sleepy now.
No more sleeping now. Come on, brush your teeth before breakfast gets cold.
Okay, Dad, but you must brush with me. I do not like alone.
I will brush with you, but you must open your mouth properly right now.
Dad, you always act like my teacher, not only my father every morning.
I have to be both for you, because you are my whole world, always.
Then you are the best dad and best mom I have in my life.
Come sit here. I made pancakes for you. Eat before they become cold.
Wow, Dad, you made my favorite breakfast again, and you are really improving a lot.
I am trying my best every day, just to make you happy always.
I feel happy with you, but sometimes I feel something missing inside me.
What do you mean, my child? Tell me what is in your heart.
Nothing, Dad. I will tell you later. I just want to eat now.
Take your bag. I will drop you to school before going to office.
Hold my hand, Dad. I feel safe when you walk beside me outside.
I will always hold your hand, no matter how busy life becomes for me.
Promise me you will come early today and not be late like yesterday.
I promise I will come early and pick you up from school today.
School is over. Students can go home now with their parents safely.
My mom is here, and we will go for ice cream together today. That sounds nice, but you are very lucky. Your mom always comes for you.
Come here, sweetheart. I missed you so much today at school. I wish someone also waits for me like that every single day. Lily, why are you still standing here? Your dad is not here yet.
My dad is working, and he always comes late because he works very hard.
You look sad today. Is something heavy inside your little heart today?
All my friends have mothers, and they talk, laugh, and go home together. But I do not have a mother. I only see her in dreams.
Oh, Lily, that must feel very lonely inside your heart every single day.
I try to be strong, but sometimes I feel very empty inside myself.
Come sit with me for a while, and you do not need to stay alone.
Miss, can I stay with you a little longer before going home today?
Yes, Lily. You can stay with me. I will not leave you alone.
When you stay with me, I feel like someone really cares about me.
I care about you because you are a very special little girl.
Miss, Why do you care so much about me when I am just student?
Because I see a heart that needs love, care, and understanding every day.
Miss, can I ask you something very important from my heart right now?
Yes, Lily. You can ask me anything, and I will always listen carefully.
Do you think my dad feels lonely when he comes home every night?
Maybe he does, but he works hard because he loves you deeply.
I want my dad to smile more, and he always looks tired and alone.
He smiles because of you. You are his whole world always.
I'm too late! Where are they?
Lily, where are you? I came to pick you from school now.
Sir, I did not notice when she left the school gate today.
What do you mean? She always waits for me near the gate. Lily, please answer me. Where are you? I am very worried now.
Excuse me, did you see a little girl standing here alone outside?
No, sir. I did not see her. Maybe she went with someone. Lily, come with me. I cannot leave you crying alone like this.
Really, miss? Can we go somewhere? I do not want to stay alone.
Let us get ice cream and walk in park for some time.
Thank you, miss. I feel happy when you stay with me like this.
Excuse me, where is my daughter Lily? And I was searching everywhere for her.
Dad, I am here. Miss Anna took me out for ice cream today.
How can you take my daughter without telling me anything about this situation?
She was crying alone, and I could not leave her outside the school.
You should inform me first. I was searching like crazy for her today.
She was missing her mother, and she felt very alone after seeing other children.
Come here, Lily. I am sorry. I could not understand your pain.
It is okay, Dad. I know you work hard and try your best.
She is very strong, but she needs emotional support from someone daily.
Thank you for helping her today, and I truly appreciate your kindness deeply.
Miss, will you come again tomorrow and stay with me after school, please?
Yes, Lily. I will come again, and I would love to see you.
Dad, when Miss comes, our home feels warm and happy like family. Dad, can I ask you something very important before we sleep tonight?
Yes, my child. Tell me whatever is inside your heart right now.
Can Miss Anna stay with us forever? Like a mother in our home?